All right, guys, if you're watching this video, you're probably looking at Wildwood XLites. So a couple things about XLites is they're lighter weight. So if you're worried about, maybe what tow capacity you can haul, these would be a great addition. They have fiberglass. They still have the rib siding. They still give you a big selection of different floor plans, some slides, some no slides. They have 30 to 35 footers. They got some that are 22 to 23 feet. Double bunks, no bunks, even walk-through baths, rear living, whatever you guys need. There is a floor plan for Wildwood XLites. I can promise you that much. They're going to come with solar, upgraded kitchens, the crescent interior that I'm sitting on right now, aesthetically pleasing. There's beautiful accent lightings, even around the bathroom mirrors. The fine little details in the XLites are a great bang for your buck if you're looking to go camping.